Hello, I'm Mark Haney, and I'm here today to talk about the maintenance aspects of the NovaDrier series. The NovaDrier over here is our original NovaDrier, and this over this side is the ND3 type NovaDrier. These products are renowned through the industry of needing very, very little maintenance. These products, most people don't even know that they exist in their plant because it's not one of the products that they actually have to do significant maintenance on at any one time. They use a semi-permeable membrane to take compressed air from your plant air system, which can be 85 to 125 psi air, and this air can be lubricated type air, and we remove any of the contaminants that are in the air and deliver it to the membrane in the system. So the only maintenance on this system typically is changing the filters over time. The membrane in these units is designed to last a lifetime. We provide a lifetime warranty on the membrane. So unlike on many other dryers, you're not changing a desiccant wheel, you're not changing desiccant beads in a bead type dryer. All you'd be doing is once a year, you'd be changing the filters in the unit in order to keep the air clean going into the unit. Changing the filters at least once a year is extremely important. We want to make sure these filters are clean enough that they actually do their job. Some people might have some water, some lubricants in the air that's coming into these, and we want to make sure we get all these out. And if the air comes in and it has any of those contaminants such as oil or water, the filtration system will remove those contaminants, including any pipe scale or anything like that. And there's automatic drains on the unit, so they'll discharge that material, so you won't have to worry about that at anything. So now we're going to go through a little bit of the maintenance on how to change the filters in these units. This unit uses a set of filters that's located on the back of the unit in order to remove any of the contaminants from the airstream that may be coming in. First, there is a 1 micron filter that removes most of the dirt and any pipe scale and those kinds of things that might be in the airstream. The second filter is a 0.01 micron, extremely fine filter that removes any of the liquid contaminants and any very, very small particles down to very, very low levels. So in addition to that, we have the filter at the top. This is on the recirculated air, because the NovaDrier is a 2-stage drying system. We provide desiccated air to the bottom, and in the top section of the hopper, we do the primary drying, base drying with a recirculated airstream, and then do the polishing with the air coming into the bottom from the membrane system. So in order to do the maintenance on this unit, the first thing you do is you turn the unit off. You'd shut off the air supply so that there's no pressure on the unit. Give it a few seconds for the air to drop, and then you'd remove the filters. You remove the screws from the top of the filter, and I have a set of these right here. With these, you have the 1 micron filter that would remove the base contaminants from there, and the 0.01 micron filter. These would just be removed as simple as that. They'd be reinstalled, re-screwed back onto the frame, and that would be all that would be necessary for that filter system. On the recirculated airstream, you would take and you would open the top of the filter casing. Very simple system. It's not much to do as far as maintenance on this unit. You remove the filter from this, you replace this, you put the lid back on, you firm it back up, and then you're ready to go with this unit. If you provide that basic maintenance once a year on this unit, or on the ND3 unit over here, you'd be absolutely fine. The only additional thing is if you buy the dry convey package with this ND3 unit, the ND3 is available in a dry convey system with a touch screen. you have one additional one of these filters here. In addition to the recirculated airstream, you would do the same thing and change it exactly as the same as I changed it here, and you're good for another year. If you have any more questions on any of the service aspects of the NovaDrier series, please contact us at Novatech and our service department at 410-789-4811 or go to www.novatech.com. Thank you.